Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Wi-Fi and updating the Google Home app so nothing blocks discovery. Sign in with the Google account you'll use for devices and grant location and local network permissions. This ensures smooth device detection. Once signed in, tap Add and choose Set up Device to start pairing. Make sure to give devices clear names and room assignments as you go, because that naming saves time later when you use voice commands or automations. Next, add each device by following Add Setup Device New Devices and allow Discovery to run. Watch for blinking LEDs or pairing prompts on the device. Assign each item to a room and rename it with simple words so voice control is reliable. Test on /off and volume controls immediately. Then open routines or automations to create triggers like schedules, sunrise/sunset actions, or device-based events. Combine conditions so multiple devices respond. Finally, integrate services by linking third-party accounts under Settings works with Google so lights, cameras, and streaming services respond. Set up voice match for personal results and create speaker groups for multi-room audio. Test everything with a few voice commands and a full routine run. If something fails, restart the router and the specific device first, then relink the device account in the app. This simple restart plus reauthorization resolves the majority of connection and sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.